My name's Bundy. I'm going to forge some picks here today, and I'm not really a blacksmith. I just work trails, and in the process of working trails we need to sharpen our picks. So all we need to do that is a forge here, an anvil, a hammer, and some warm water with a little bit of soap in it in this bucket, and a file. We got a file here on the other side to see where the colors are, and that's pretty much all you need to do it the way we do it, which isn't probably the best way, but it's the way the old foreman told us how to do it, so it's the way we've been using it. So to build a fire, all you do is just build a little fire with wood, kindling, and to get it going, and then cover that up with your coal, and it'll eventually get the coal going. I know that you want a pretty pure fire for tempering, and so we'll have to make sure all that wood's gone, and when it's a pretty clean fire it won't smoke hardly at all, so it won't, which will take a while. This coal that looks like it's been burnt and it's real light is called coke. Coal becomes coke when you burn it, and then it gets to make a good fire. So when you use the pick and you wear this down, the tip of this thing is tempered to a harder on the tip than back here. So when you wear it down, you get past the temper and the pick gets soft, and so then it's going to wear away really fast. And so when you go to sharpen it, you draw it out longer again, then you re-temper it so it's harder, so it doesn't wear so fast or bend over. So that's what we're going to do.
And so why don't you just use a grinder to sharpen it?
Well, the grinder wouldn't, you would grind away material, which wouldn't be good, but the grinder wouldn't draw your pick back out longer again. You want to draw it out, and it wouldn't re-temper it either. I have a brand new pick that's been used very little. The point is, it's never been forged in a forge, so the point's a factory point. They just kind of bevel it off there. So I'm going to go ahead and shape it just to get this shoulder out, a little more gradual point, and temper it, because a new pick isn't tempered, so it'll wear away fairly fast. Hey, you're not much help. Sharper. just about cool enough to temper.
So how warm is it?
You can almost hold your hand on there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and temper it. They say to a cherry red, which is about the first stage of red. See how that's more of a cherry red right there? That there's a little redder. So I'm just kind of waiting for a second. It's getting a little more of a cherry color. I'm going to call that good enough. Just a tip in. You do a little figure 8 as you drop down a little bit more. And you go all the way in. And then you pull it out. But this is still hot right here. This is cool. So this is going to be hard. But this heat's going to start working its way out. Because this is smaller than this, right? It's going to start transferring out. And as it transferred out, it's going to soften this hard stuff that you just had in the water. And so when it gets right to the end, you want to dip it back in to stop it from softening it anymore. Okay, here we go again. I'm going to put the point in, slowly drop it down, go all the way back to the anvil. Feel how that, you can hear the file won't cut that. Back here it will. You see that purple working its way up there. And as the purple works it up, I can file right behind it. It's taking the hardness out as the heat transfers up. And there it is. See, I can file it all now, but not like it's real soft. So that should be good.